Well, hello cruise fans and happy new year. Welcome to the start of 2025 and all of our adventures coming your way. So, what we got coming up? If you follow the channel before, you know that I often do a video about 2 weeks prior to boarding, depending on schedules, etc. Just let you know that we're coming on board, and basically what I'm now appealing for is your help. Your help to share information regarding all the cruises and cruise ideas. So if you've ever seen the channel before, basically we do a bit of a vlog and I try and give as much information as possible about the cruise line, the ship, etc., what to do. So where do I get this information from? You guys. So what I'd like you to do in the comments below, if you've got any tips or tricks regarding the MSC Preziosa, I butcher these MSC cruise names all the time. They should call them like, I don't know, Thomas or Henry. Any kind of like the train names from Tom's Tank Engine I'm quite good at. Preziosa. Is that pronounced right? Please correct me in the comments below. But yes, so we've got this coming up in 2 weeks. It's the Northern European Cities Tour. We've done similar on the Euribia, another MSC ship last year. It's the same ports as that. Bit earlier in the season, I think we did, no, actually I think it's actually the same time as last year actually, so the weather wise we're looking at probably cold, but that's irrelevant, you know, we got such a good price out. I don't normally tell you I booked them through, but this time I booked it through Seascanner, and the price was really, really affordable, so I was happy with that. But yeah, so we're getting on board, and what I want to know is if anyone's been on before, if they've got any tips or tricks, so we can share it in the channel, and I will obviously demonstrate your tip or trick or bit of advice once we get on board. But I am looking forward to it. I'm a little bit nervous. I don't know why. Obviously, I watch all the other people's guides before I get on board, so kind of I know what to expect once I get on board. And I'm watching lots of people, and there's people making content. It's all really good, but there's nothing that's been like, oh, you know, I really, really want to go there and do that. Then I'm reading the forums, people saying it's like an old ship, and it's like, this is not an old ship. It's a small ship. This is not a small ship. This is quite a modern ship, and it's a very, very big ship. So there's kind of a mixed bag of opinions flying around here. So I kind of want to get in there, get to the nitty gritty, and find out what we're really dealing with here. I think it's going to be great, if possible. And sometimes when I'm a bit nervous, it's almost a better holiday because, I don't know, because you're not expecting it to be so amazing. Sometimes it's, you know, it normally is amazing. They're all amazing. That's why I love cruising. As you probably realise by watching the channel, it's a massive hobby of mine. Next month, we've also got the Iona coming up. Another thing I'm kind of nervous about because I've never done it. So when we make the videos, it's to be honest, because we're just real people with our own money. We're not sponsored by anybody. We've got to like commute there like a real person, you know. I don't know if commutes there. You know what I'm saying? It's just, we're just genuine people. So if you've got any tips or tricks or advice that we need to know before we get on board, the better really. Write them in the comments below, and we're going to share all this information with people that are coming on this ship in the future. Because you may be watching this thinking, well, I'm not going on in 2 weeks, but I'm going on next month. What can I get from this channel? What can I get from this information? And that's what it's all about. Just a community that shares everything that we need to know about cruising. If you do like talking about cruising, we do have a Facebook group as well called Cruise Chat. I'll leave a link in the comments below. Once again, it's all about people posting information. We don't look for people whinging, negatives, that kind of stuff. Or if you are going to give a negative, also give a positive, because it's easy to whinge and say bad things, but very few people actually start by saying very good things. So we want to try and change people's views as well. So I've ranted enough for now, but I'm looking forward to getting on board. If you see us on board and want to say hello, please feel free to do so. That's what it's all about. It's going to be me and Greta George this time. So it's just the boys are back in town. So if you are going on board, you want to know more information, hit like and subscribe, and then we'll give you all the information we can. And when we get on board the MSC Preziosa. I hope. See you later.